This small part in your bathroom can cause big problems. Let's fix it properly. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a bathroom floor trap from start to finish. Over time, these traps can become dirty, clogged, or even damaged, especially the top cover. When that happens, water won't drain properly. So instead of just leaving it or doing a quick fix, I'm going to remove the old trap, clean the entire area, and then install a new one properly so it sits strong and drains smoothly. This method is simple, beginner-friendly, and gives you a long-lasting result. Let's get started. First, remove the floor trap cover and take a look inside. As you can see, it's dirty and there's a lot of buildup inside. Before we start removing anything, we need to block the hole. This is very important. Use a plastic bag, cloth, or paper and push it gently into the opening. This will prevent dust, debris, and broken pieces from falling into the pipe and causing blockage later. Once the hole is safely covered, we can begin removing the old trap. Use a crowbar or flat pry tool and carefully insert it around the edge. Apply gentle pressure and slowly lift it up. Take your time here. Don't rush. Work around the sides evenly to loosen it without damaging the surrounding tiles. As the trap starts to come loose, you can slowly pull it out completely. Take your time and do it gently. There's no need to rush. You want to avoid cracking or damaging the surrounding tiles. Work it out bit by bit until it comes free. You can see there are still chunks of old mortar and debris stuck around the edges. These need to be removed so the new trap can sit properly. Use a pry tool or flat screwdriver to gently chip away the loose pieces. Focus on anything that is not solid or already cracked. Don't force it. Just remove what comes off easily. Work your way around the entire opening, clearing out all the weak and uneven areas. The goal here is to create a clean and stable surface. At the same time, be careful not to damage the surrounding tiles. Always control your tool and apply light pressure. Once all the loose cement is removed, brush away the smaller debris and dust. A clean surface will help the new installation bond much better. Now we move on to the next step, preparing the waterproof grout. Start by adding the grout powder into a mixing tray. Then slowly add clean water while mixing. Don't pour too much water at once. Add it little by little so you can control the consistency. Mix it well until you get a smooth, thick paste. It should not be too runny or it will be weak. At the same time, it shouldn't be too dry or it will be hard to apply. Take your time to mix properly and break up any lumps. A good mix will give you better strength and a cleaner finish. Using a scraper or trowel, spread the grout evenly around the opening. Make sure to fill all the gaps and create a solid base for the drain trap to sit on. Apply enough material so there is full support underneath. Don't leave any empty spaces as this can cause movement later. Once the base is ready, carefully position the new drain trap into place. Lower it slowly and press it down firmly so it sits securely. Check that it is aligned with the tiles and sitting at the correct level. Adjust it slightly if needed before the grout starts to set. After that, apply more grout around the edges to lock it in place. Smooth it out neatly for a clean finish. Take your time here. Proper placement is key to a strong and long-lasting installation. Use a damp sponge and gently wipe around the edges. This will remove any extra grout and smooth out the surface. Rinse the sponge regularly and keep it slightly wet, not soaking. You don't want to wash away too much grout, just clean the surface. Work slowly and carefully, shaping the edges for a neat and even finish. And that's it. Your bathroom floor trap is now clean, properly installed, and ready to go. Take your time with each step, and you'll get a strong, long-lasting result that not only looks better, but also improves drainage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.